Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have U2, legendary, great group, and Bono. Yeah, what a quality of voice and performer, everything there. Yeah, nice. And this song is called Street of Dreams. We have this kind of main thing going on here with the four chords played like 90% of the song. That is what we're going to focus on, but then we have a break as well. We're going to come to all that. Cape on fourth, absolute best scenario. That is how we start this with the easiest chords possible if you want to match up with the sound. If you don't care about that, yes, you can just skip the capo, but I suggest you still go with these easy chords. So, cape on fourth if you have. Now let's dive into this one. And before we do that, I need your help, guys, on my new channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere. You can check it out, and if you want to support me there, I'm highly grateful for that. You will have a new way of learning songs played, full playthrough for you guys. Chords shown on the screen. Just follow along, and it's all classics up till the recent day. And yeah. Just nice. So thank you for everything so far. Now let's focus on Street of Dreams. We have the chords of C, G, D minor, A minor, and F. We're gonna start with C first. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. G goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. D minor, open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the A minor as well. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the F. F is a bar chord, so play this on a string like this. On the first fret, push down all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And that's it. So we're gonna look into the strumming now. It's a two-part strumming. We're gonna look into the transition from C to G, because those two chords covers one full string around, and then we're gonna apply the same principles on the next two chords. So C to G goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with part one, C, down, up, down, and that's it. So then you shift to G and play down, up, down, in the same way as part one. Then you continue down, up. So down, up, down, then down, up. And that's it. So C, down, up, down, and then G, down, up, down, up. Slowly like this. And then you apply the same principles for the next two chords. It's the D minor, played in the exact same way as C, part one, down, up, down, and then A minor in the exact same way as G, down, up, down, up. So D minor to A minor goes like this. And there you have one round. That is played over and over again in the song. So let's do a couple of rounds together, standard tempo like this. Somewhere around that area. That is the main thing. But then we have a break at 2 minutes and 13 seconds in. Now you're gonna skip that strumming and just play straight downs, okay? I want to play a straight kind of group of 4 downs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna play D minor, one of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then F, another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D minor, F, C, C, D minor, F, C, C. I play 3 rounds for you, and that is exactly what you're gonna do as well. And then you have kind of an ending there in the kind of fourth and final round where you're just gonna play bass notes. We don't have to go into the chords here. You can just play on that E string, okay? So on the 6th fret E string, you have the A sharp note. you're gonna play 4 downs. Then on the A, 1 step down on the 5th fret, you have the 2 downs. And then the G sharp note, 2 downs on the 4th fret E string. And then finally on the G note, the 3rd fret E string, 8 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically goes like this. And then you're gonna go back to the main part. That is how you handle U2's Street Dreams. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play through.